Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, October 17th, 2013. Wow, the S&P 500 ends at a record high after the Washington deal. Shows here that the S&P, Reuters is saying that the S&P 500 closed at a record high on Thursday as investors regained confidence in the market following a last-minute deal to avoid a U.S. default. But weak earnings from IBM and Goldman Sachs pulled the Dow Industrials slightly lower. Taking a look here at the markets. We have the S&P up 0.7% with the Dow down a fraction. NASDAQ up 0.62% with the Russell's up a nice 0.9%, leading the charge to the upside with the banks confirming today's rally up 0.72%. VIX dropping a whopping 8.36%. It has just been dropping like a rock. Fear has just washed out of this market. Check this out. We're at 13.5. Hope you got into precious metals. We've been talking about that being a buy. We have gold up more than 3%, silver up about the same. Crude oil down 1.5%, with the US dollar down a whopping staggering 1.11%, really helping the markets go bullish. Today, defensive sector though, utilities up 1.44%. Interesting. Here we are, the S&P. And we're going to start off on the weekly chart because we talked about this 1710 area as being a major resistance point. Boom! To the upside, closing near the high, looking really good. We're at 1733, gang. Very bullish. The daily chart, though, we're up here knocking at the door, resistance point. Resistance, resistance. We're right there. And do not think that this cannot just touch and crash, drop like a rock. It certainly can. Dow, though, is giving us a doji. It's called a dragonfly doji, but this here is called a tweezer top. It's actually, we have two reversal patterns in one, so that's very bearish. Very bearish. Looks like the Dow's wanting to head lower. The NASDAQ, though, and the Russells, let me show you this. The NASDAQ actually closed higher than a resistance point. We have resistance, 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 boom, breaking resistance. That is very bullish. Nice to see. Small caps, Russells, same thing. We're in this rising wedge, not anymore. Boom, breaking nice resistance. That is huge. Big move there. Like to see that. Gold on the daily, falling wedge, buying opportunities. Boom, to the upside above the 20-day moving average. Now we have the 150-day moving averages to contend with. And silver, same thing, falling wedge. Boom, to the upside. We're just on the bullish side of this falling wedge, so things could start to get nice and bullish for silver and gold. So the buying opportunities have not escaped us yet. We're now seeing confirmations of this move that we have suspected. And while we're here, let's take a look at Google, which is off 1% today. So we had this big drop. We get a jab. We go higher, closing above. We thought we'd see a lot more upside here, but Google has now come right back into this area. And I'm telling you, it's just not great to see that. So we have this and probably this line coming over, something like that now. So let's see what this has for us. Apple is up 0.7%, really just keeping pace with the rest of the markets, continues to march higher above all major moving averages. Facebook here busting above an area of resistance, so we're in buy territory, but the problem is we're very extended. Even though we're in buy territory, the timing is wrong. Microsoft continues to march higher after breaking out of this symmetrical triangle breakout. Boom, to the upside and still showing some strength out there. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but all savvy traders have a mentor. But let me show you something else. For the first time ever, Mark the Meerkat started doing in the premium Grokstar trading room audio. So now instead of just listening or reading the text, you can now listen to him as he trades. That is huge. Get 30 days free just by signing up down here. But the big thing that you all want to do is learn more about the mentorship we have coming up this weekend. It is best practice to be an educated trader. Everyone needs formalized trading education, and we will do that for you. So just fill out the form, click this, fill out the form, and we'll get you all the information you need. Take care and watch the next video here.
This may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, they weren't executing consistently nor disciplined in managing risk. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up today before it's too late for your trading.